friends, today we are going to discuss on the topic Delhi Sultanate through this mind map. Here you can see the mind map, Delhi Sultanate, and this is the covered period from 1206 to 1526 AD. As you know, the rulers of this period took the title of Sultan. That is why this period is known as the Sultanate period. And the first dynasty of this period was Ilbari dynasty, founded in 1206 and ended in 1290 AD. And here you can see the founder of the Ilbari dynasty, Kutubuddin Aibak was the founder, and Kaikubad was the last ruler of this dynasty. So the next dynasty was Khilji dynasty. Here you can see the period it covered from 1290 to 1320 AD, and here the founder Jalaluddin Khilji, and Khusru was the last ruler. So then Tughlaq dynasty, it was founded in 1320 AD by Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq and declined in 1414 AD, and the last ruler was Nasiruddin Mahmud. Then Soid dynasty, this was founded by Khizr Khan in 1414 AD, ended in 1451 AD, and the last ruler was Shah. And the last dynasty of the Delhi Sultanate was Lodi dynasty, and it was founded in 1451 AD by Bahlul Lodi and ended in 1526 AD, and the last ruler was Ibrahim Lodi. And as you know, in 1526 AD, the first battle of Panipat fought between Ibrahim Lodi and Babur, in which Ibrahim Lodi was defeated by Babur, and Babur founded the Mughal dynasty. So, from today's discussion, you able to discuss on the topic Delhi Sultanate and the different dynasties and the founders and the last ruler of the dynasty. So this is for today. Thank you.